In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for YouTube monetization. Now, for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. So the good news is that one of my YouTube channel just hit the threshold. So in this video, I'm going to be applying live. So you're going to be watching me how the step by step on how to apply for YouTube monetization live. In fact, you're going to be doing it together. So make sure you watch this video to the end for you to get the step by step on how to apply for YouTube monetization and the tips. I'm going to also tell you some tips that you need to avoid so that you not get denial, and the things that you need to do so that you can get your channel monetized within just few days. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how to upscale your income and how you can work from home. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. Now, so before we dive in, let me give you one of the tips that will help you for you to get your monetization very fast. Now, if you want to apply for your monetization, the email that you want to use to apply for that monetization, maybe I've been using that email for a long period of time, and that email have a Google account, because every email have a Google account. Now, for every Google account that you have, you cannot have two AdSense account, because AdSense account is what you use to receive payments for your YouTube channel once you monetize your channel. So you need to have an AdSense account. That's what you use to receive your payment. So for example, maybe you have been using that Gmail account and you mistakenly created an AdSense account, or you created a blog site and you have an AdSense account. Now you want to monetize your channel and you still use that email to apply for that monetization. You will not get monetized, or you'll be delayed for a long period of time. So that is one of the mistakes most people normally make. Maybe if you don't even know that you have an AdSense account, so the best thing for you to do is just for you to create a new Gmail account and use that one to apply if you want to get your channel monetized within just few days. So this is one of the things you need to do if you want to get your channel monetized. So to apply for your YouTube monetization, the first thing you need to do is for you to log in into your YouTube on your desktop. So make sure you use your desktop or laptop to log in. Don't use your phone. So once you log into your YouTube channel, then you click on profile image or logo. Then you go to YouTube Studio. So once you get to this interface on your YouTube Studio, then you scroll down, then you click on N. If you have mixed up with the monetization, you're going to see apply. So you can see apply here and then apply here. So I've met up with the first stage of monetization. So you can see my watch hour. Currently now I have 5,679 subscribers, then 3,499 public watch hours. So I'm going to be applying for the first stage of monetization, which is the early monetization before the other one. So I'm going to click on apply. So I'll click on apply now. So it's going to bring me to this interface and on YouTube. So step 1, review base terms. So you need to review YouTube terms. So you click on start. So you scroll down. So if you have to, you can go through all the terms. So you just scroll down and you check this. Then click on accept terms. So that is done. Then you move to step 2, which is sign up for AdSense for YouTube. Then the step 3 is get reviewed. So we are going to sign up for AdSense on YouTube. So to do that, you click on start. So do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account? Now if you already have an AdSense account, you don't need to create another AdSense account, because that is going to cost you a delay of them approving your application. So if you have already an existing AdSense account, just use that account. But if you don't have an AdSense account, you just click on create new one. So but if you don't know if you have an AdSense account already, click on I don't know, then click on continue. So it's going to take you to AdSense, where you're going to create your AdSense. So choose an account. So you're going to choose a Gmail account that you're going to use for the AdSense. So I'm going to choose this. So already I have an AdSense account already. So if you are creating your AdSense for the first time, you need to enter all of your details. So I've already entered my details before. So I'm going to click on continue. Then you read through the terms and the condition. Then you check this. Then click on set up account. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So if you want to do any editing, you can see edit. So I want to edit this. So once you have done and you have cross-checked all your information that everything is correct, then you click on submit to continue. So you enter your phone number. Google need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number to get a verification code. How would you like to Google to send you the verification code? So I'm going to choose them through text SMS. Then I'm going to click on send. So they are going to send me a code now. So I'm going to wait for the code so that I will enter the code that they will send to me. So once you have entered the code that they sent to you, then click on submit. So they are going to bring you to this interface. We are reviewing your information. Review usually take less than a day, but in some cases can take also. So once they are going to redirect you to your YouTube studio. So they're going to show you review based terms. So just hold on. So they're going to show you in progress. So this is going to take some time. So once they review your information and everything is okay, they're going to approve. Then you are going to go to the next stage of your application. So this is how to apply for your monetization on the YouTube. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and drop a nice comment on the comment section. And if you have seen my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.